Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. 1 year ago, I had the chance to meet Deandra, and Deandra, as we're going to show before pictures, you look completely different. You look absolutely amazing. Your hair is stunning, and I wanted to know what your feeling has been over the past year from the minute you walked into this office to what your friends and family are saying.
So the minute I walked into the office, I was like super nervous, but at the same time, I was very confident because I had a client who came to you and her results was absolutely amazing. So I knew I was in good hands because of her results. So I really just wanted to get it done. During that day, it was really nice. It was really pleasant. I was very comfortable. I was even able to stand up and look at the procedures of how it was done. The pain level, I'm not going to lie, I did cry like a baby, but after you're done with the anesthesia, it's so much better. It's great. And I would never have worn my hair like this, like ever. Like all out 6 braids, edges, like I have edges, guys, okay? I got edges.
You have edges. So. When I first called you and you showed me, I was just in awe how beautiful you look. How amazing it looks.
Yeah, thank you. The recovery process wasn't bad at all. I didn't suffer from any type of complications. It was actually exciting because I started to see my hair grow in. As before, when you're bald and you kind of like start using all these oils and you think you see 3, 4, 5 hairs come in, you got some hair coming. But no, this was like hair coming in. So tracking that progress and looking back each month and looking like it is getting bigger and bigger. So I was like really excited to see that, and now I'm just like, it's just growing like wildfire now. And like my friends and my family are like, oh my God, like the ones who know, like, Deandra, what's the number? How do you do it? What's the consultation? What's the number? And I'm like, you got to go to Miami.
Fort Lauderdale it is, exactly.
And as you can see, so I'm a hairstylist myself. So the main thing is I do feed-in braids. So this here is my own hair braided first, and then the hair that starts to feed in is about right here. So if you can see my hair, there's nothing pulling, there's nothing like tight-eyed or anything like that. I take so much care of my edges, and mainly, honestly, I do clip-ins now, and I'll just leave the front, and I'll probably start my clip-ins about back here so that I'm like free. I oil my scalp. I wash my hair at least twice. For me, because I am African American, I don't wash my hair every day. I wash it like at least every 2 weeks or something like that because the natural oils do help. But even then, like, you can wear braids, but choose better options like, knotless braids where it's not it's less tension and less hair. And like, you have to go to somebody who actually knows your hair, So, I mean, I wouldn't say shy away from braids, but just be way more cautious and leave everything out if they can. If you don't like the baby hairs, that's fine. I don't care for the baby hairs no more because I have edges now and I want it all slicked in, so.
And I think as people are seeing your before pictures, we literally started from scratch. You had minimal to no hair on both your left and right edges. We
had nothing. And in here, there was like 2 inches back. Yep. I don't even know how that happened. And honestly, when I look back, I know how it happened. Like, it happened from back in the 90s, the big box braids, then when wigs came out, using the adhesive, not knowing how to take it off, and you just ripping it off, so I've done a lot of things to my hair that I wasn't even educated in myself and just learning. When the wigs came out and different things, I kind of guinea pigged myself and messed my own hair up.
So a lot of times people say, wow, I wish I would have known of this sooner. I wish I would have done this sooner. I wish I wasn't so scared all along. Happiest day? I mean, just, you feel free now. You do whatever you want with your hair again.
I feel free. I go to sleep when I walk around the house. I don't have a scarf on my head. If my wig, like if I do decide to wear a wig, I'm not putting glue on it. But for the most part, I feel free. I feel like I can go on vacation and wear my hair like this and go swimming. I'm a big swimmer. I love the ocean. I love the water. And so for me, it was like always like, I want to go under. I want to go under. And I never would go under. And if I did, I would go under and hold my wig, So the feeling of like this summer, I was able to go swimming with my daughter and not stand on sit on the sideline. Like I was under the water with her, like, you know, so that felt good. Even just like, you know, when I get out the shower and I'm just like putting the towel back on my hair and I'm looking, I'm like, God, like it's so liberating. Like it means a lot. Like having your hairline and you know, not balding or anything like that, it can change. It changed my confidence. Like I feel so confident now.
Well, I'm gonna have you turn your head to the left and show everybody. Awesome. And turn your head to the right. You look amazing. I thank you so much for volunteering to do this video, to share your story with everybody out there. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. This is Deandra. This is another one of our success stories. And Deandra, wear it well, wear it with pride, and happy edgiversary, as I say in my room.
Absolutely.
And I thank you so much. You look amazing. You've made my day. This is what I live for, and I love what I do.
Thank you so much for making my dream come true. Because absolutely all I wanted for Christmas was edges. No.
No, you look absolutely amazing. I'm so happy for you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.